Hey friends, welcome back and thank you guys so much for clicking on today's video. By the title of the video, you already know that I'll be doing another purse review. So if you are looking for a more affordable option and you don't want to break the bank this holiday season, then you definitely need to check out Coeebags. They sell replica items, replica designer items from purses, shoes, boots, you name it, even clothing pieces and accessories. Anything you can think of, they have it, and they are have of the highest quality, hands down. And I'm not even exaggerating. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this beautiful baby and tell you guys more about it in details. I promise you, you would not be disappointed. Link in the description box for a coupon code and the link to this and their website for all the details. Check out the description box. Okay, guys, it's a game changer. You want the look for a fraction of the cost, and honestly, you cannot tell the difference. So, lucky guess. Okay, the black box. Everybody knows the black box. So let's go ahead and get it out. The top looks and feels like velvet. You see this beautiful dust bag. Then you have this bow and you have the ribbon and these cards and stuff. That is if you want to wrap it up as a gift for somebody, you can do that. And then you have the mirror. You have 3 card holders, and I'm not sure what this one is for right here, but and I love this. When I was looking at the person I selected it, I honestly did not know that it comes with a mirror, but ah, girl, this little cutie, I am obsessed with it. The quality, the craftsmanship, everything is spectacular. Again, so guys, as I was saying, as you can see how beautiful and gorgeous this purse is, with the beautiful gold Chanel label, the zippers, the gold accessories, and the straps. The details on the strap is my absolute favorite. I'm just obsessed with it, and it's the perfect size. For me, it's the perfect size, and it can fit a ton of stuff too. So I love it. It's the perfect color, the perfect texture. It feels so good. And if you're supposed to compare it with the other one, then I guarantee you won't be able to tell the difference. Okay? And again, it is super affordable. And I also have a discount on it, a discount code. Everything linked in the description box. Go ahead and check it out. And thank you, Coeebags, for teaming up with me again. Your products from the first one I received, I was just absolutely amazed, and I'm still impressed each time. So keep up the good work. Thank you guys. Love y'all and happy holidays. Now guys, there's a lot to love about this purse, and it's just so much to take in. You have the logo right there under the bottom. You have the beautiful gold logo on the front, the zippers, even the straps are filled with details, and everything was well thought of. They are super cute. I love the length of the strap, the inside, and look how smooth the zippers open up and close. Mirror right there, and then you have the card holders and this one right here, and it's firm inside. Really gorgeous, super gorgeous, and it's the perfect size. It's not too big, it's not bulky, it's just enough space in there to fit a ton of stuff. Fits a lot, and it's not too big, not too bulky, and then it's just a super cute. Look at it. Isn't it adorable? Remember to check out the link in my description box for this product and use my coupon code LWT. It'll be linked in the description box, guys. Yeah. So happy holidays. This is where it's at. Save your coins, guys. You get the same quality for a fraction of the cost. You cannot beat that. Don't let society fool you or the narrative fool you. Okay, guys? Peace out. Love you guys.